Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. Here we are going to see a term called vacuum packaging. The process of packaging goods in a vacuum or when all air has been removed earlier to sealing package. Desired effect can be smaller cubic space occupied, a removal of air to reduce growth of contaminants or to preserve items for long period of time. Generally in logistics we see for reducing the space occupied. This method involves manually or automatically placing the items in a plastic film package, removing air from inside and sealing the package. It need not be only a plastic package, it can be any material. Shrink film is sometimes used to have a tight fit to the contents. Vacuum packing reduces atmospheric oxygen, limiting the growth of aerobic bacteria or fungi and preventing evaporation of volatile components. It is also commonly used to store dry foods for a long period of time, such as cereals, nuts, cured meats, and also you can see this fact on potato chips packets. All these are vacuum sealed to preserve them for long period of time. But in logistics we see how we can optimize the space usage apart from other activities it can contribute. Thanks for watching. Bye.